All right, folks, do this. So, children's book author Dr. Seuss, that I've never read in my life, is famous for his whimsical rhymes. They were inspired by a recent viral TikTok to try using some of those rhymes in a rap battle. Any battle with me and she that have music and art and stuff, she win. Easy.
We're not fighting, we're working together.
Well, them say battle. Green eggs and ham.
By Dr. Seuss.
Who I've never met, never seen, and never read.
All right, take it away now.
The track, boy.
That's where you start.
So I must say,
Wait for the beat to drop. Wow.
I am Sam. I am Sam. Sam. I am. Why am I Sam? I don't know. Sam. I am. That's Sam. I am. I do not look like Sam. I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam. I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Won't you like them here or there? Would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. Sam. I am. Sam. I am.
Go on now, go on again.
Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? Do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? Not in a box, not in a fox, not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam. I am.
That's great. You have something on me? Yeah?
Sam. I am. Sam. I am. Well, actually, never I am. Sam I was, never I is. Supposed to listen to Jody face. Jody take me for an idiot.
Yes.
Yeah, that sound like I did well just now, don't?
Yes.
Was I good, Jody? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the next artist on Tom Fest here at Smile Jamaica. Tom, as in Tom Fest. On Smile Jamaica. Here she is. Her name is Simone Nicole.
One fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish.
All right.
All right.
There we go.
All right. One fish, two fish, red fish. Okay. Can I get more on the beat, yo? A little volume so I can hear it. We're going one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. One fish, two fish, and it's a red fish. And there's a blue fish. There is a black fish. There is a blue fish. There is an old fish. And there is a new fish. Well, this one has a little star. This one has a little car. Say what a lot of fish there are. Yes, some are red and some are blue and some are old. Guess what? Some are new, some are sad, and some are glad, and some are very, 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 very bad. Why are they sad and glad? Oh, you mash up my flow like that, Badrin?
Clap.
But I was even a quarter way through.
I'm in charge. So here what now, with two of us doing the third one. The two of us doing the third one. All right?
I can't work with somebody who's not working with me.
But I am working with you.
But you just mash up my rhyme a while over, Bridget.
What you say? No, me bad mind because you were doing too good. So me decide to stop you. But no, come now. So the two of us doing this one. Come now, man. It name. Great day for up. Are we ready? Come now. Up. The sun is getting up. Come now.
The sun gets up, so up with you.
Ear number one. Me not understand. Ear number two.
Okay. Up heads, up whiskers, also tails.
Up, up, great day today, great day for up.
Up, up. Me not like that tune, yeah.
Neither me. Come back to that
Mash
one.
up my tune, Virgin.
Come back to this one. Whenever the real
Mash up my tune, Chief.
Oh, stop and let's move on.
All right.
So, which one are you doing?
Come, let's start it. Pick up. Or you want to go from top?
From top?
Go on. One again.
I am Sam.
I am Sam, I am that Sam, I am that Sam, I am. I do not like that Sam, I am.
Do you like green eggs and ham?
Well, I do not like them, Sam, I am. I do not like green eggs and ham.
Would you like them here or there?
I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse?
I do not like them in a house. I would not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I said I do not like them anywhere, 'cause I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox?
Not in a box, not with a fox, not in a house, not even with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere, 'cause I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Would you, could you in a car eat them, here they are?
No, I would not, could not in a car.
You may like them, you will see, you may like them in a tree.
All right, tune. Yeah, we're done.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Sumfest.
Tomfest.
Okay, there too. You can catch us live. For bookings, you may call
555-0011. If you're out of town, 00
They
not,
kill with Mike.
not.
Jeez, I'm
Them
crying.
kill with Mike.
Run
Them
me
a
off
fight
the show.
against me. Yeah, and if you're out of town, add 1.
You can take the
Soon
break.
come.